In this video, we listed the 9 best amazing tools for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Milwaukee Wireless Dust Control Adapter and Remote Kit. The Milwaukee Universal Wireless Dust Control Adapter and Remote Kit, 0950-20, is designed to enhance productivity by providing instant dust control for various tools, significantly reducing downtime. This adapter and remote kit can be integrated with different dust management systems, allowing users to wirelessly control dust extraction during their work. The kit's primary feature is its universal compatibility, meaning it can be used with a variety of tools and dust collectors. Key advantages include instant activation of dust control systems using the wireless remote, ensuring the workspace stays clean without needing to pause work. Less downtime, as workers no longer need to manually switch dust collectors on and off. Increased safety and cleanliness, crucial for. Product 2. Product name: Nutri 3-in-1 Electric Hoist Winch. The Nutri 3-in-1 Electric Hoist Winch is a powerful, versatile tool designed for lifting and pulling heavy loads, ideal for various applications like construction, warehouse use, and even home projects. It offers a lifting capacity of 1,100 pounds and operates with a wireless remote control as well as a cable remote, giving users flexibility and ease of use in different environments. The hoist runs on 110/120 volt power, making it compatible with standard outlets, and features a lifting speed of 16 feet per minute, which is efficient for both vertical and horizontal lifting. Its 3-in-1 design means it can be used as an electric hoist, winch, or pulley, making it an adaptable tool for different lifting or pulling scenarios. Whether lifting heavy equipment vertically or pulling items horizontally across a surface, the winch is built to handle tough jobs. The portability of this hoist makes it convenient for moving between locations, while its solid construction ensures durability under frequent use. This hoist is well suited for individuals or professionals who need a reliable, high-capacity hoisting solution that can handle both large and small tasks. The wireless remote feature adds convenience for remote operation, improving safety and control. Additionally, its ease of use and compatibility with standard voltage ensures accessibility for a wide range of users. Product 3. Product name: Viva Electric Hoist. The Viva Electric Hoist is a versatile and powerful lifting device designed for industrial applications like factories, warehouses, construction sites, and mining fields. With a lifting capacity of 440 pounds and powered by a 110V electric motor, it offers reliable performance for handling heavy loads. The hoist comes equipped with both single and double slings, enhancing its flexibility for various lifting tasks. One of the standout features is its remote control system, which allows for safer and more convenient operation from a distance, reducing the risk of accidents. Constructed from durable steel, the electric winch is built to withstand the rigorous demands of industrial environments. The device's solid construction ensures durability and longevity, while the inclusion of safety features like overload protection adds to its reliability. This hoist is ideal for repetitive lifting tasks, providing a time-saving solution for material handling in industries where efficiency and safety are priorities. Product 4. Product name: Stripmeister Drill-Powered Wire Stripper Machine. The Stripmeister Original Drill-Powered Wire Stripper Machine is a versatile and efficient tool designed to simplify the process of stripping copper and electric wires. This wire stripper operates by attaching to a standard drill, enabling both manual and automated wire stripping for various types of wires, including stranded or solid copper. It's particularly useful for electricians, hobbyists, and those involved in scrap metal recycling, as it allows for easy removal of insulation from wires, maximizing the value of the underlying metal. Key features of the Stripmeister Original include drill-powered stripping. The machine can be operated manually or by attaching it to a drill, increasing speed and efficiency. Compatibility with a wide range of wire sizes, suitable for stripping wires of different diameters. Durable construction, designed to handle heavy-duty tasks, with precision-engineered components for long-lasting use. Product 5. Product name Stanley 0-83-179 Quick Vise. The Stanley 0-83-179 Quick Vise, 9.44 inch is a compact, portable clamping tool ideal for various DIY and professional woodworking, metalworking, and craft applications. This vise offers quick setup and easy adjustment, making it suitable for users who require reliable grip without the hassle of larger, stationary vices. Its compact size allows for easy storage and transport, while still providing the necessary clamping force to hold materials securely during tasks such as cutting, sanding, or gluing. In the context of the above paragraph, the Stanley 0-83-179 Quick Vise complements other tools the user has shown interest in, like the Jorgensen No. 102 Mini Wood Planer or the Works WX066 Sidekick Folding Work Table, as it can assist in securing small to medium-sized pieces for precise and stable work. Their vise's durable design and ease of use also make it a valuable addition to the workspace of users interested in a range of tasks from home improvement projects to more detailed craft and construction work. Product 6. Product name Anvil Metric Tubing Combination Wrench Set. The Anvil Metric Tubing Combination Wrench Set is a versatile tool kit designed for precision and ease in mechanical work, especially when dealing with tubing. This set includes 9 pieces of ratcheting wrenches with metric sizes ranging from 8 mm to 17 mm, making it suitable for a variety of applications. Each wrench features a 180 degrees open flex head, allowing for flexibility in tight spaces, making it ideal for use in confined areas like engine bays or plumbing projects. The 72-tooth ratcheting mechanism ensures smooth operation with minimal effort, providing efficiency with a small swing arc, perfect for tasks requiring precise movements. The wrenches are constructed from durable CRV, chrome vanadium, steel, known for its strength and corrosion resistance, ensuring long-term durability and reliability. This set is particularly valuable for mechanics, DIY enthusiasts, or anyone requiring a high-quality wrench set, complementing the user's existing interest in durable and efficient tools, such as those used for woodworking, car maintenance, or other technical tasks. The Anvil Metric Tubing Combination Wrench Set aligns well with similar preferences for quality and precision as seen in the user's collection of versatile tools and gadgets. Product 7. Product name Bosch 18V Concrete Nailer Kit. The Bosch GNB 18V 12K14 Profactor 18V Concrete Nailer Kit is a high-performance tool designed for heavy-duty concrete nailing tasks, ideal for professionals in construction, renovation, and other demanding applications. This kit includes one of Bosch's Advanced Core 18V8 or high-power batteries, offering exceptional runtime and power, making it suitable for driving nails into hard materials like concrete and masonry. Key features of the Bosch GNB 18V 12K14 include its brushless motor, which enhances the overall efficiency, power output, and longevity of the tool, while minimizing the need for maintenance. The 18V Profactor platform ensures high performance levels, comparable to corded alternatives, but with the flexibility and convenience of cordless operation. The nailer is engineered for precision and consistent depth control, which is crucial for secure fastening in tough surfaces like concrete. Product 8. Product name Tiger Tool Commercial Yoke Puller. The Tiger Tool Commercial Yoke Puller, Model 10803, is a specialized tool designed for heavy-duty applications, specifically for removing yokes from commercial transportation trucks and equipment. It is particularly well suited for Class 6 to 8 trucks, which include semi-trucks and other large, heavy-duty vehicles used in industrial settings. The yoke puller is engineered to handle the demands of heavy-duty trucks, ensuring efficient and safe removal of yokes without damaging the components. Key features of the Tiger Tool Yoke Puller include its robust construction to withstand the high torque required in these demanding tasks. It is crafted to make yoke removal quicker and easier, reducing the time and effort needed in servicing large transportation trucks and equipment. This makes it an essential tool for truck mechanics, fleet maintenance professionals, and anyone working with Class 6 to 8 vehicles. Product 9. Product name IRUNTEK Rechargeable Fabric Shaver. The Draper Fence Wire Tensioning Tool is a specialized device designed to aid in the installation and maintenance of wire fences. It enables users to apply the appropriate tension to wire fencing, ensuring a secure and tight fit. This tool is particularly useful for tasks such as securing livestock or perimeter fencing in agricultural, industrial, or residential settings. Key features of the Draper Fence Wire Tensioning Tool include durable construction. Made from high-quality materials, it is designed to withstand frequent use and harsh outdoor conditions. Ease of use. Its ergonomic design allows users to apply tension without exerting excessive effort. Compatibility. Suitable for use with various types of fence wires, including barbed wire, smooth wire, and mesh fencing. Precision tensioning. The tool allows for accurate and consistent tensioning, which helps extend the lifespan of the fence and prevent sagging.